Good morning, everyone. Today we will do the question answer of the chapter, that is the people upstairs. So, without any delay, let's get started. Well, answer the question. Question number 1. What do the people upstairs practice? Well, the answer is, see the first line of the poem, that the people the people upstairs practice ballet. Ballet is an artistic form of dance. Second question, what is their bedroom full of? Well, the answer is, see the third line of the stanza. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours. Third question, what happens when the neighbors upstairs take a shower? Well, the answer is, when the neighbors upstairs take the shower, that might happen leakage on the ceiling. Now moving to the next question, that is question number 4. How do they get their parties to mix? Well, for their answer, see the 3, 4, 5, 7th line. They get their parties to mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks. Now next question, that is, how do they go to the bathroom? Well, they go to the bathroom on roller skate. Well, roller skate is a type of shoe with small wheels on the bottom. And when they go to the bathroom on roller skates, that created noise. Next question, question number B. Read the lines and answer the question. Question number first, their bedroom is full of conducted tours. Their radio is louder than yours. Option A, why does the persona say this? Well, the answer is, the persona said this because he was so annoyed and irritated from his neighbors. That's why the line, their bedroom is full of conducted tours and their radio is louder than yours. Do you think that the people living upstairs are noisy on purpose? Well, the answer is yes, the people living upstairs are noisy on purpose, as they do not care about the disturbance that they create in the lives of their neighbors. Moving to the next question, that is, their living room is a bowling alley. Who does the word there refer to? Well, the answer is, the word there refers to the people who lived upstairs. Does it bother the persona? Why? Why not? Yes, 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 this bothers the persona because the people living upstairs are noisy. And also, the the speaker was irritated because of the neighbors who lived upstairs, because they do not care about the disturbance that they created. Third question, that is, I might love the people upstairs more if only they lived on floor. Option question A, what do these lines indicate about the persona feeling for the people upstairs? Well, the persona thought that he would not might get disturbed by the neighbors who lived upstairs if they will move to the another floor, so that when the neighbors will move to the another floor, the persona will not get disturbed. Question B. Do you think that the people living upstairs are aware of the disturbance they cause? Yes, the people living upstairs are aware of the disturbance because they are inconsiderate, noisy, and selfish neighbors. Now, exercise C. Think and answer. Their room is a bowling alley. Which figure of speech is this? Well, the correct answer is metaphor. Let me tell about the word metaphor. Well, metaphor is a figure of speech that makes a comparison between two things, two unlike things, is known as metaphor. Second question. What kind of person do you think the persona is? Well, the answer is persona was very annoyed with the people who lived upstairs because the people who lived upstairs disturb the persona because they do a lot of irrelevant things when they live on upstairs. They do practice ballet and their living room is look like bowling alley. And they every day they do party all the week, and whenever they take a shower, the poet thought that it might get leaked from the ceiling. Last question. Do you think the neighbors upstairs are considerate? Well, the answer is no. I don't think the neighbors upstairs are considerate because the neighbors do not care about the persona. They always create disturbance so that the other people got disturbed. That's why the neighbor upstairs are considerate. Sorry, that's why the neighbors upstairs are not inconsiderate. Well, that that is the question answer we have done today in this video. I hope all of you have understood. Any problem if you are facing in this question related to the question, you will ask me in the comment section. You will ask the comment, you will do the comment in the comment section. I will reply the answer of the question that you will ask. Thank you.